It's that time of the year again, and we're going to ring in the new year with an elegant hors d'oeuvre, my tuna and shrimp ceviche. Hi everyone, I'm Ahmed, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put a ceviche together. This video is a very special collaboration with my YouTuber friends from all over the world. Together we're going to put together some amazing hors d'oeuvres to serve at your soiree. Please make sure to stay with me till the end of the video where I'm going to post all of their links. Ceviche is very easy to prepare, but many people are afraid to make it in a safe way. I myself used to be very afraid to try it, but I learned how to make it at the Rio Palace in Costa Rica from the executive chef Rodolfo Garcia. He showed me how easy it is to prepare it, but also to customize it. This makes for a wonderful New Year's Eve appetizer. All of your ingredients can be prepped ahead, and then it can sit in the acid to be cured for an hour before you serve it. I'm going to start with a 5-ounce tuna steak. Now this is one of the freshest tuna steaks I could find, and as you can see, it is gorgeous. I'm also going to take the same weight in fresh tiger shrimp. Now when you make a ceviche, it's very important to use fresh ingredients. I'm going to make sure that my tuna and my shrimp is cut to the exact same size. This is going to help both the tuna and the shrimp cook at the same time. For my acid, I'm using 1 orange together with 1 lemon and 2 limes. I'm using the orange to sweeten the ceviche. I'm going to prep all of my other ingredients. I've already chopped half a red onion, and I soaked this in some water, and I'm going to drain it really well. Now, it's a really good idea to do this when you're using onion in a raw salad because it takes out all of that really strong oniony taste. I've also got half an avocado that I'm going to chop into small pieces. And now it's time to put my ceviche together. In a bowl, I've got my tuna and my shrimp, and I'm going to cover it with my acid. That is the juice of the orange and the lemon and the limes. I'm just going to add some salt as well and leave that for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add the onion that I chopped, the avocado, and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. I also love to add a little splash of hot sauce. I'm using Habanero sauce, but you can use jalapeno or any other hot sauce of your choice. I'm going to mix this all together, and then I'm going to cover it with cling film and put it in my refrigerator to cure for 1 hour. It's party time, and I am ready to serve this. Now you can serve this family style if you like on a tostada, but I'm going to go just a little bit elegant today. I'm going to serve this in a beautiful Chinese spoon together with a slice of cherry tomato, and I'm going to top it with the most gorgeous flying fish roe. Look at these beautiful crystals against the ceviche. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. I have many more recipes to share, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Friday, and coming right up are all of these fabulous recipes from my friends from all over the world. Happy New Year, everyone. Take care. Bye.